time. The maximum is 3 hours. If you have more than 3 hours, we will feel fermented. Okay, it's not good anymore. Okay, only in Hanoi we have this one. Okay. Okay, so this all ingredient and all the spice. And if you don't want or if you don't like any spice, you can skip it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And now we put garlic in the beef.
Garlic. Okay, you use chopstick here, please.
Yeah.
Chopstick, a spoon here.
Yeah. So if you want to eat more garlic, you can add more. Okay. Add more.
You.
Yeah.
That way.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
You can use spoon here, please. Use spoon easier for you.
It's easier for him.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, that's right.
tipped it over. Sorry.
Yeah.
Amy.
And you add a little bit of glutamate. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah.
Very nice. So cute.
More.
More?
Yeah, that's good.
Yep.
And it's an oyster sauce.
Wow, very good flavor, right? As with some more garlic, very nice.
Please put in this amount of the oyster sauce, okay? The oyster sauce is very salty.
Salty, yeah. Like, how much about that? About a teaspoon?
About this.
About a much.
Yeah. Half teaspoon.
Nice hat.
Yeah.
My daughter.
Con vỗ tay.
Nó.
Yeah, that's enough.
Em sẽ trật tự
Okay,
nhé.
so now we mix together.
Bạn,
Săn tay đấy.
chủ được, chỉ được đúng không? Kips. Con nhìn này, con nhìn chú hơn kìa. Ôi dồi ôi.
What's your daughter's name?
Her name is Julia.
Julia.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, wait.
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Yeah.
No.
Mẹ ơi,
Con đi ra chỗ khác.
mẹ ơi.
Trật tự này. Đứng yên một con lại không được hỏi mẹ ơi nhiều. Mà cậu Nam đang quay nó tự nhiên lại lẫn vào những cái tiếng này vào.
Next year.
Okay, so now you need to hear and wait about 5 minutes for
Yep,
to
to
beat
marinate.
absorb all the spice.